Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to use your webmail. So there's the interface of the webmail, and for you to access this, you just type your domain name / webmail on the link that I will send to you. It will take you directly to this webmail. So what you do is you just copy your email address and the password as I have sent, paste it here, then you click on login. You wait for it to load, and it brings you to this interface. You click on open my inbox. So you tick this box and click on open. You wait for it to load properly. So it has logged you in, and here is your interface. It works just like your Gmail. At this point here, you see compose, where you write your messages. It's nothing different from your Gmail. So this form is you, which is custom. The two is the email address you are sending it to. The subject is the title of your email. Then here is the body of your email. So if you have an image to add to your email, you click on this box here. Okay, no, not here. Sorry. If you have an image, see here, attach a file. By your right, attach a file. You click on it. Then you select the file that you want, and it loads like this. It will automatically follow your email. So that's it for. Then when you are done, you click on send. You see it here. So that's it. Then if you want to discard, if you want to read your email, it's nothing different from your Gmail. See the inbox here. You click to read your email, and it appears here on the right hand. Draft. You can see your sent messages. Then your junk, that means your spam box, messages that goes to your spam box. They are all here. So if you want to change probably your password on your webmail, you see this webmail home. You go there, scroll down. You see password and security. This is how you change your password. Click on change your password. You see a new password. Put a new password. You confirm it, or you can use your password generator to give you a new password. Then when you are done, you click on save. That's it. I think that's all you need to know about webmail. Yeah, so when you're done, you can click on this open tool and take you back to your working area. So that's all about webmail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow for more.